Like you no longer have the strength to fight, cause you've seen too many sunsets, too many days, and in the darkest night. But on your own, you never know, you never know. The greatest ocean, up across the water. The greatest ocean, across the that all you need is faith, but it's almost like you lost your way. Took a few wrong turns, took a few breaks, falling behind now, looking for grace. As you meet someone to lead you again, make right all the things you've done. Cause on your own, you never know, you never know. The greatest ocean. The greatest oceans and walk across the world. Defeated, falling on your knees and looking up for some hope tonight. You try to stand up, but you throw your hands up, like you no longer have the strength to fight. Cause you've seen too many sunsets, too many days, and in the darkest night. But on your own, you'll never know, you'll never know. The highest mountain, across the greatest ocean, and walk across the water. Across the greatest ocean, walk across the water. They say that all you need is faith, but it's almost like you lost your way. Took a few wrong turns, took a few breaks, falling behind now, looking for grace. As you meet someone to lead you again, make right all the things you've done. Just on your own, you never know, you never know. Across the highest mountains, across the greatest ocean, across the the greatest oceans and walk across the water. Defeated, falling on your knees and looking up for some hope tonight. You try to stand up, but you throw your hands up, like you no longer have the strength to fight. Cause you've seen too many sunsets, too many days, and in the darkest night. On your own, you'll never know, you'll never know. Past mountains, across the greatest ocean, and walk across the water. The past mountains, across the greatest ocean, walk across the water. Think that all you need is faith, but it's almost like you lost your way. Took a few wrong turns, took a few breaks, falling behind now, looking for grace. As you meet someone to keep.
Oh, hello everyone. How are we? Hello, hello, hello. Am I audible?
There's an echo.
Yes. Now is it okay?
It's better, but still there's an echo.
Okay, I'll just check. Okay, now is it okay? Hello, hello, hello everyone. How are you? Can I just request each one of you to switch on your videos so that I can also see you as you can see me? I'll share my screen quickly and then we start. So hello, hello, hello. Welcome to this day one. If I am audible, I am visible and my PPT, all are visible. Give me a thumbs up in the chat box. In the chat box. Yes, in the chat box, please. Thank you. Hello everyone, namaskar, कैसे हैं सब लोग? So let's start the day one. Let me start by saying this again, which I've already told you yesterday also, that you haven't signed up, you haven't ended up here because of any accident. You are here because a part of you, the most genuine part, the most truthful part of you knows that you are meant for more than just managing that chaos around you. Because deep down, you know that there is some problem. Deep down, you know that this problem can be solved if you get the right guidance, right? Give me a thumbs up in the chat box if you think that yes, you know that there is some problem and that problem can be solved. So you are here because you want to live a life that you love, a life that feels like yours. Let it sink with you. What I said is, you want to live a life that you love. You want to live a life that feels like yours. And did you realize something? I named this as a boot camp. Do you know why? Because it is not any other webinar, any other workshop, I would say. It's going to be very, very intensive. It's going to be an immersive experience. experience of connecting with your own truth, connecting with your own rhythm, and connecting with your own power. Because each one of us has a lot of power. The only thing is, वो हनुमान जी की तरह हम पहचान नहीं पा रहे हैं. We want somebody to make us realize that we have that power. So, because it is a camp, I want each one of you to follow everything, all the rules like a T. वो हम RDC के कैंप में जाते हैं या कोई बूट कैंप करते हैं, उसमें जाते हैं. सो कैसे हम हर एक रूल फॉलो करते हैं कि सुबह इतने बजे उठना है, ये करना है. सो आई वॉन्ट यू टू फॉलो एवरीथिंग टू द टी. सो सबसे पहला रूल आज के लिए तो यही है दैट आई वॉन्ट all the cameras on as much as possible. So that's why I've sent the reminder कि सब लोग तैयार होके आ जाना, so that you don't feel like यार लिपस्टिक नहीं लगी है, अच्छे दिख नहीं रहे हैं. So just keep your cameras on so that energy can flow. So the quality of these 3 days will, obviously it will depend on me, but more than me, I think the energy will depend on you. The energy you reciprocate. The quality of these 3 days will depend on that. So just tell me, the people who have their cameras on, I want them to just unmute their, rather, I want everyone to just unmute yourself and say, when I ask, are you ready to live the life you love? Say, I do. When I ask
I
you,
do. Okay.
are you ready to live a life you love? Say, I do.
I do.
I do. I do.
Amazing. So let's,
I do.
amazing. So let's do this together. Because अकेले चलने में a lot things seems difficult, but when we have somebody to hold hand, somebody who has walked the path earlier, it becomes very easy. And I will talk about this later in a very, very detailed form. So before I go any further, I just want to acknowledge and appreciate each one of you. Why? Because आज Friday है, Good Friday है, long weekend था. लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी आप वो लॉन्ग वीकेंड मनाने के लिए नहीं गए, एंड यू आर हियर. यू हैव सेड नो टू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स व्हेन यू चोज योरसेल्फ. आपने ये करेज किया आज सो दैट यू कैन शो अप हियर. इसीलिए सबको बहुत ही बड़ा कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस एंड बहुत सारा अ लॉट ऑफ लव फ्रॉम मी. कैन आई टेल यू समथिंग? For this boot camp, around 100 of my close circle people have voted. Of those 100, 44 registered. And of those 44, you handful of you are here for this workshop, for this boot camp. Why? Because that God is giving you signals that now you are ready. You know that now I just want to choose myself. So congratulations on choosing yourself. And more than a congratulations, I would like to say a best of luck to you. Because when you make an intention, things start changing. जब आप अपना intention बनाते हैं किसी चीज के लिए, फिर आपका attention बार बार वहां जाता है, and then things start changing. So what I want you right now to do is just take your hand and pat your back. Literally pat your back. और जितने भी लोग cameras on कर सकते हैं, I want all the cameras on so that I can see who is patting their backs. Yes, good, amazing. Amazing.
मेरे हो गए अब अब जब भी मुझे आपको भी सकते
Okay. So when I ask you to unmute, then only unmute, otherwise stay muted. Because this is a boot camp, I want it to be a two-way thing. So that's why I have not restricted the access of you to unmute yourself. So just be muted. अब now, if you are ready to align, if you are ready to take charge of your life, now I want you to write on the WhatsApp group, I am ready for alignment. I want you to write on the WhatsApp group that I am ready for alignment, so that all those people, 44 of them, knows that we have already started and they can start joining as soon as possible. I'm waiting for you to write on the WhatsApp group, I'm ready for alignment. Good. Amazing. So let's be real. ये 3 दिन कोई मैजिक पिल नहीं है दैट 3 दिन हम ये बूट कैंप अटेंड करेंगे 3 दिन में और 4th डे एवरीथिंग विल चेंज. ऐसा नहीं होने वाला है. Give me a 1 in the chat box if you agree with this. Give me a 1 in the chat box if you agree that this cannot happen overnight. This will require time. This will require your efforts. This will require a lot more courage than just attending this boot camp. Yes? It's a journey. It's like today we are seeding a plant. So when we seed a plant, and for the seed to germinate and become a big tree, it needs a lot of time. It needs watering, it needs nurturing, it needs sunlight. So in this boot camp, we are just seeding that plant. I'll be giving you a lot of tips and tricks. But real transformations actually do not need just the information and tips and tricks. They need efforts. So real transformation will happen when you implement all those tips and tricks on you in a longer duration, in a longer journey. किसी को ये 1 साल में होगा, किसी को 6 महीने में हो सकता है, किसी के लिए 3 महीने में हो सकता है. And I will share with you a story of one of my client later, who has seen this transformation in just 10 days. And that was something which was very, very amazing and very, very heartwarming for me. So, yes. I am just figuring out actually the another laptop I'm not able to use, so I'm not able to see the chat box. I'm just trying to figure out. Just give me a moment. Yes. Is my slides visible?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So let me walk you through what we will be doing in this boot camp for these 3 days. So it's kind of a boot camp overview for you. So today, the day 1 is about facing the truth. We will audit where things are out of sync for you. Today is like seeing your life in a mirror, your reflection in a mirror. So unless you look in the mirror, you don't know that you have a mole on your cheek. You don't know that you have scars on your body, right? So first, we will understand where is the misalignment. This is day 1. Tomorrow on day 2, I will give you my very, very powerful framework to realign everything back. Because just knowing where the misalignment is will not solve anything unless you realign it back, unless you have tools, you have tips and tricks, you have more information on how to realign everything back. So second day, meaning tomorrow, is about that powerful framework. And day number 3 is about being in the flow. When I say being in the flow, what I mean is being this realignment, this alignment being your default. कैसे वो default में आ सकता है, कैसे हम अपनी strengths का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं to bring it as your default, not just trying hard and hard every day to come in this alignment. So just write in the chat box which day you feel is the most important for you. Which day you feel is most important for you. Today, the alignment audit, tomorrow, the realignment framework, or day 3, where it becomes your default. Okay, all 3. Neha is saying 2, somebody is saying 3. 3 meaning all 3 or just day number 3? Okay, good. So this boot camp, is it for you? Let's talk about whether this boot camp is for you, whether it will help you or not. If you are someone who will be benefited from it. So this is for you if you are playing a lot many roles in your life. If you feel stressed meaning आप ऑफिस जाते हैं, ऑफिस में खूब सारा काम करते हैं, शाम को घर आते हैं, घर आके you are expected to be with your family, you are expected to play with your children, you are expected to maybe date with your wife. And also for the housewives, if you're playing a lot many roles meaning mother bhi hai, sister bhi hai, maybe a daughter, many roles. If you feel that you are stretched in many directions and you do not have energy to fit on all those roles, this is for you. If you feel that you are being disconnected from yourself, that meaning that you are a good mother, you are a good father, but you are not sure whether still you are a Deep Shri, a Monica, an Abhimanyu, maybe a Anagha or not. So you're not sure about that. This is for you. If you are someone who is sick and tired of feeling sick and tired, like you are saying now ab bahut ho gaya, ab nahi. Now I don't want to settle for less. Now I want to achieve. Now I want to have it all. This is for you. This is for you if you are losing, if you do not have a lot of clarity in your life. अगर आपको ये समझ नहीं आता कि which is the area जहां पे मैं ठीक करूंगी या मैं ठीक करूंगा, तो then things will align. This is for you. And most importantly, I would say is this is for you if you are someone who wants to just evolve, who wants to be the best version of yourself, who want to just take everything in your control. This is for you then. Tell me in the chat box, which is the one thing which you are, which is the of those 5, are you more disconnected? Are you more stressed? Are you more sick and tired? Do you want clarity? Or you just want to evolve, be the best version of yourself? Tell me in the chat box, out of those 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what is your number? Evolving self, all 5, yes. All 5 are important. All 5 are to be taken care of. That is very sure. Now, let's talk about why do we even need alignment in life? Why do we even need alignment in life? So before we go any further, let's answer this simple but a very powerful question. Why does alignment even matter? Tell me in the chat box if you know why do you need it. Tell me in the chat box if you know why do you need it. क्यों चाहिए alignment? Alignment होने के बाद में what do you expect? What do you expect? When you get aligned, what do you expect? Peace. Durgesh ji, give me a word जो आप expect करते हैं after being aligned, sync in my life, balanced life. Yes. Amazing. Good. So, okay, let me tell you my perspective of why do we need alignment in life. So think of your life as a closet, एक अलमारी की तरह है, जिस अलमारी में बचपन से आज तक के सब कपड़े रखे हुए हैं. At one point of time, that piece of cloth used to fit you. Each role that you are planning, that you are playing right now, each habit that you have kept for yourself, each relationship that you are nurturing, each belief that you are carrying with yourself, the commitment you are showing to people, it served a version of you. It did serve a version of you. But over time, things changed. You changed. Requirements changed. Demands changed. But we could not change. A lot of us are still trying to fit in वो जो बचपन का कपड़ा था उसी में, उसी फ्रेमवर्क में हम आज भी फंसने की, आज भी उसमें फिट होने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. And that's why we need this alignment. Because we are still trying to fit into something which no longer fits us. Like forcing an outfit from a decade old maybe. अब तो मतलब पता नहीं 10 साल पुराना बनता है या नहीं बनता है, लेकिन मैं तो I would say maybe a 20-year-old thing. So alignment is when you stop wearing what no longer belongs to you now. It's when you clear out what feels tight, what feels outdated, what feels heavy. And you intentionally choose what feels light, light on your soul, what feels true to yourself, what feels powerful to you, what increases your power in the world. When you choose that intentionally, it is alignment. Now tell me in the chat box, वो ऐसा क्या है जिसको आपने वैसे तो आउटग्रो कर लिया है बट यू आर स्टिल ट्राइंग टू फिट इन. कोई रोल है ऐसा, कोई हैबिट है ऐसी जिसकी अब जरूरत नहीं है, कोई बिलीफ सिस्टम है ऐसा जो विच हैज हेल्प्ड यू समवेयर बट नाउ इट इज नो मोर ऑफ यूज फॉर यू. इज देयर एनीथिंग? Is there anything? Tell me in the chat box. Is there anything which you have already overgrown but are still trying to wear? Okay, no issues. Neha, come back, welcome back and just join us. So what I was saying was alignment is like a closet. वो अलमारी में बहुत सारे पुराने कपड़े रखे हुए हैं, बचपन वाले भी रखे हैं, आज वाले भी रखे हैं. There are a lot of clothes which are not fitting you, a lot of roles which are not required now. बहुत सारी habits हैं, बहुत सारे belief systems हैं जिनकी अब जरूरत नहीं है, but still we are carrying them with us. We are still trying to fit into the clothes which are 10 years back, a decade ago, which we used to wear. So my question is, what's something you have overgrown, but still trying to wear, still trying to fit into that? So this boot camp is going to be like a wardrobe reset for you. So over these 3 days, we'll not be fixing you. Rather, we will be refitting your life piece by piece, choice by choice. Because your new season needs a life that is more aligned, needs a new version of you. That's why we will be doing this for next couple of days. So day 1 is about awareness, as I said. Awareness of the misalignment. Where is this misalignment sitting? And Where is this sitting and how much is the misalignment? Think of your life as a 4-wheel car. वो एक किसी भी पहिए की 4-wheel कार, मीनिंग जो हमने शुरुआत में बूट कैंप के लिए जब रजिस्ट्रेशन किया था, तो हेल्थ, वेल्थ, रिलेशनशिप, करियर, इफ दीज आर दी 4 व्हील्स ऑफ अ कार, अगर एक टायर में भी हवा कम है, देन द राइड विल फील बम्पी, राइट? क्या इसका जो आंसर है वो मोर हवा है, बार बार उसमें हवा भरवाते रहना है, या आंसर इज फाइंडिंग आउट वेयर इज द लीक? वो लीक कहां हो रहा है? टुडे वी विल फाइंड आउट वेयर इन आवर लाइफ इज द लीक, वेयर इन लाइफ आवर एनर्जी इज लीकिंग। वो क्या जगह है जहां पे जो छूट रही है, या जहां से बहुत सारा एनर्जी, बहुत सारा टाइम, बहुत सारा, बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ अस व्हाट डू फील इज कि हम अगर ज्यादा समय देंगे किसी एक एरिया को जिसमें हमें लग रहा है कि वी आर नॉट डूइंग गुड इनफ, तो ठीक हो जाएगा। इट इज जस्ट लाइक फिलिंग मोर गैस टू अ पंचर्ड टायर। उससे कोई फायदा नहीं होने वाला। फायदा होगा व्हेन यू नो वेयर इज द लीक, और जब आप उसको पंचर को रिपेयर करेंगे, जब आप यू फिक्स दैट इशू, तब वहां फायदा होने वाला है, अदरवाइज कोई फायदा नहीं होने वाला। सो टुडे वी विल फाइंड आउट वेयर इन आवर लाइफ इज दैट लीक, because you can only align your life once you are willing to see where it is misaligned. जब तक पता ही नहीं कि मिसअलाइनमेंट कहाँ है, तब तक वो अलाइनमेंट कैसे होगा? I'll repeat this once again because this is very deep. You can only align your life only when you know, when you are willing to see where is the leak. Let it sink. Because what happens is we don't see there where is the leak. हमें लगता है उसको निग्लेक्ट करने से ठीक हो जाएगा, ज्यादा ध्यान मत दो, अपने आप ठीक हो जाएगा। इमोशंस स्पेशली, वी डोंट फोकस ऑन आवर इमोशंस। हमें लगता है बस ऐसे ही ठीक हो जाएगा, अगर ध्यान नहीं देंगे तो सब कुछ ठीक हो जाने वाला है। सो यस, I want you to understand one more thing before we can go further, that wherever your attention goes, your energy flows. लिख लो इसको कहीं, लिख लो। Wherever your attention goes, energy flows, and wherever your energy flows, your life grows. I'll repeat it once again. Wherever your attention goes, energy flows, and where your energy flows, your life grows. Anything in the world that is important for you will only come to you when you give it your attention. When you give it your attention. There is only one thing that is most important, very important in life. Still, it does not need your attention. कोई बता सकता है मुझे ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो लाइफ में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है? Still, in the chat box please. Still, it does not need your attention. Yes, breathing it is. क्योंकि कहावत में कहने को हम कहते हैं कि रुको थोड़ा सांस ले लें, but actually do we stop to breathe? We never stop to breathe. Breathing is such a powerful thing which goes on and on and on without us paying any attention to it. This is the only one thing, nothing else. Everything else in life that is important to you needs your attention. It needs your attention. And that too in a right way. So when I say in a right way, what I mean is like, so a lot of times people come to me and say कि 1 साल से इस बारे में सोच रहे हैं लेकिन कोई progress नहीं हो रही. And when I say right way, I mean that when you are thinking about something, when you are stressing about something, so are you actually paying attention, paying focus to the problem? or paying focus to the solution or your goal. Because thinking and stressing does not mean focus. When you stress about things, you are not focusing on the goal, rather, you are focusing on the stress. With me, everyone? With me, everyone? Deepshri, are you with me? Yes. Good. So when you stress about things, when you think about things, actually you are not focusing on the goal, you are focusing on the stress, you are focusing on the thoughts. So before we move forward, I am right now very, very tempted to tell you my story, why and how I started all this. If I have your permission, type PG in the chat box, permission granted. Type PG in the chat box if I have your permission to share my story. Thank you. So my story started very, I would say, I was born in 1974, but my story started in 2012. So this time, I was 36 years, weighing 98 kgs. I was married to a wonderful man, a very loving husband, had 2 beautiful daughters, and was doing extremely well in my career. मतलब जो कुछ भी खुश रहने के लिए चाहिए ना, वो सब कुछ था मेरे पास. But still I was not happy. I was not happy. और मुझे लगता था मेरा सब जो दुख है मेरे, all the miseries of my life, my weight is the reason. डॉटर ने कहा कि पीटीएम में आने की जरूरत नहीं, मम्मा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, बिकॉज माई वेट इज ज्यादा. हस्बैंड ने कहा कि पार्टी में चलने की जरूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ मेल हम लोग मिल रहे हैं साथ में, बिकॉज माई वेट इज मोर. एवरीथिंग वॉज अ वेट. और so much so that you cannot believe it, when I got a promotion, I was promoted to a position of associate director, head of the campus associate director, and somebody just made a passing remark कि जो directors है ना वो वजनदारी अच्छे लगते हैं. So instead of celebrating that moment of my promotion, I started stressing on that casual comment. एक casual सा remark किसी ने कर दिया, and I was disturbed with that. And in such a very desperate moment, one day I decided to go under the knife, and within 4 months, I would repeat this, within 4 months, I was 55 kgs. I had lost almost half of myself. And to my surprise, nothing changed. Nothing changed. अभी भी वो जो इनसिक्योरिटी पहले वेट की थी, अब वो नई इनसिक्योरिटी, सिर्फ उसका नाम बदल गया. अब उसका नाम था आई हैव थिन हेयर, अब उसका नाम था आई हैव लूज आर्म्स. नथिंग चेंज्ड. एंड दिस shook something inside of me. And I started seeking for answers. Started with reading a lot of self-help books. लेकिन उनसे कुछ ज्यादा फायदा मिला नहीं, मुझे अपना जवाब नहीं मिला. मे बी आई वुड नॉट से दैट दे आर नॉट हेल्पफुल, बिकॉज आई माई सेल्फ हैव रिटन वन नाउ. लेकिन शायद जो डायरेक्शन चाहिए था वो मिला नहीं. देन आई मेट माई कोच, एंड शी जस्ट आस्क्ड मी a few questions, and I realized that problem is my misalignment. I know now that you are curious कि वो questions क्या थे, जिन कुछ questions को पूछ के ही वो misalignment पता चल गया कि कहाँ है. I will not tell you those questions right now. मैं कभी बताऊंगी सेशन के दौरान, लेकिन अभी नहीं बता रही हूँ. अभी मैं सिर्फ स्टोरी बता रही हूँ. I want you to focus on the story and what I want your focus to go on. So then when she asked me some questions, I got that misalignment is an issue. Then we started working on the alignment. Me and my coach started working together on aligning everything back. And during this journey, we discovered this very powerful framework that helped me realign. And then I also, it also gave me a mission, I would say, of sharing this framework with everyone who wants to align their lives. And I'll share the exact framework with you tomorrow that I've shared and tested with all of them, which I have also used in my life. Now, I am 50. So 50 is not my weight now. 50 is my age. 68 is my weight. And I'm doing whatever I love. And I'm loving whatever I do. I'm happy and fulfilled like I would say hell. Sorry for my language, but yeah, I'm happy and fulfilled like hell. Since then, since 2011, I'm aligning myself and helping people align. How many of you noticed in my story that my focus was on a wrong thing? Give me a me in the chat box if you have noticed, and extra marks for somebody who tells me where was I going wrong. Extra marks for someone who will tell me where was I going wrong. Me. Yes, Neha. Anagha, thank you. Weight focus. Yes. Thank you, Monica. Isha, yes. Your focus was not on happiness. Yes. My focus was on wrong thing. I was focusing on what is not right. The earlier slide, the previous slide, what I was talking was, are you focusing in the right way? I was focusing on something, but it was not the right place. I was focusing on my appearance, on my exterior, I would say. My goal was to impact people, impact lives. But where was my focus? My focus was on my appearance. My focus was on fixing. कि वेट कम हो जाएगा तो ऐसा होगा, बाल कम झड़ेंगे तो ऐसा होगा, हाथ ढीले ठीक हो जाएंगे तो ये होगा. But my focus was just on fixing what is wrong. But when I aligned with my purpose, when I aligned with my value system, with my purpose, entire alignment, entire misalignment was taken care. Entire misalignment was taken care of then. Okay, by the way, how many of you know that this alignment will need time? This alignment will need time. Show me a thumbs up maybe, or a wave on the screen. Okay. 3 days is just a starting point. As I already told you that we are just seeding. It will give you a lot of value. These 3 days definitely will be giving you a lot of value, a lot of information. But do you need any information? वो YouTube पे सारी information, Google पे सारी information है. अब तो Chat GPT पे आप एक चीज लिखो और 100 information आपके पास में already आ जाती है. So you don't need information. What you need is, you need transformation. And transformation takes time. And for those who are actually serious about aligning their lives, I would just like to mention that I have a longer program where I work with you personally, one-on-one, to ensure that transformation happens. Okay, now, so let's do a quick check. Where is your focus? Let's do a quick check on where is your focus right now. Jot down, where have I been leaking energy? लिखो, सिर्फ एक ही चीज लिखना, बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं लिखना है. One area where you feel in your life you are leaking energy. आपकी एनर्जी जिस एरिया में लीक हो रही है सिर्फ उसका नाम लिखना है. We already have 4 aspects right now: health, wealth, relationship, career. चारों में से what is that one area where you feel your energy is leaking? If you write in the chat box, I will also know, so I can relate my examples there. Wealth, career, health. Good. Bad health. So Neha, this is what we are talking about. No bad, just health. Do not focus on what is bad, rather focus on what can be done better. Yes. Relationship. More votes for relationship and health. Okay. So let me take the example of relationship only. Baki jo sab log I will try giving more examples of other things as well. So if it is a relationship, now what I want you to do is, I want to write the name of a person. वो chat box में लिखने की जरूरत नहीं किसी को भी. Write the name of a person जिसके साथ में आपकी relationship सबसे ज्यादा problematic है. I want to write the name of a person जिसके साथ आपकी relationship सबसे ज्यादा problematic है. Now ask yourself, do I have focus on moving forward that direction? So for the people who have written the name of the person, उनके लिए मैं आगे बताती हूँ. But for others, like Neha has said, bad health. सबसे बुरा क्या है उस हेल्थ में? सबसे परेशानी वाली क्या चीज चल रही है? And then where is your focus? Are you focusing on moving forward? When I say moving forward, I want you to understand there are things which are out of your control. Are you stressing about the things which are out of your control, or are you controlling and aligning with the things which are in your control? Got my point? Neha, this is for you. Got my point? Where are you focusing on? Jinko, so some of you have written well. Where is my focus? Am I focusing on पैसा कहाँ बच सकता है? और am I focusing on पैसा कहाँ से बन सकता है? For the people with the relationship, I want you to go back for the past 1 year in your relationship and see, पिछले 1 साल में the person with whom you have a bad relationship, आपने उनकी तारीफ ज्यादा की है या आपने उनको ये ज्यादा बताया कि उनमें क्या गड़बड़ी है? Where is your focus? Wherever you focus on, your energy flows, and wherever your energy flows, that grows. अगर आपने उनको यही बताया है कि क्या गड़बड़ है तो वो गड़बड़ बढ़ने वाली है, और अगर आपने उनको ये बताया है कि हाउ अमेजिंग दे आर, वो जो छोटी सी एक चीज जो अच्छी है लाइफ में, मे बी he or she is more caring than you, more beautiful than you, more I don't know what, लेकिन कुछ भी वो एक चीज जो उसकी अच्छी है, एक्चुअली अच्छी है, क्या उसको प्रेज किया है या वो पूरी लिस्ट सुनाई है which is not good? How many of you want to know what to focus on, कि फोकस हम करें कहाँ? टाइप मी इन दी चैट बॉक्स अगर आप चाहते हैं ये जानना कि कहाँ फोकस करें, पता चलेगा कैसे कि कहाँ फोकस करना है, व्हाट इज द राइट प्लेस टू फोकस ऑन. somebody was asking, क्या बोला? कहाँ से बन सकता है अप्रिसिएशन? कहाँ से बन सकता है अप्रिसिएशन? विरल, आई डू नॉट गेट दिस पॉइंट, बट मे बी वी विल डिस्कस जब हम सेशन के बाद में शेयरिंग और क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे तब हम इसके बारे में डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. आई एम नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट यू वांट टू से. ओके, सो यस, आई नो यू वांट इट, और आप इसीलिए आज यहां पर आए क्योंकि आप ये जानना चाहते हैं कि फोकस कहाँ करना है. Tell me, what if you can actually see in black and white where you stand in terms of alignment? What if I exactly tell you on the scale of 1 to 10 where you are? Are you on a 1 or a 2? Or are you on a 7 or a 8? How many of you are curious to know this? Just say me or wave your hand so that I know that yes, you want to know this. Yes. How many of you are curious about this? So write me in the chat box. Write me in the chat box. Because I will not move forward now because this is very important. This is the most important aspect, most important part of today. Knowing where you stand. Actually looking at it in black and white, that where you stand, where you need to improve, how much you need to improve. All right. So let's move into alignment audit. Let's move into alignment audit. Open your worksheets now. Worksheet number 1. Worksheet number 1. This one. Open your worksheets. Worksheet number 1. So you can see a wheel there, right? Which has 8 aspects: health, wealth, relationship, career, personal growth, spirituality, recreation, and contribution. Let me very quickly explain each of them, what I want you to look into when you see that. So health is your physical health. Your physical health, your weight, your lifestyle diseases, maybe your muscle power, maybe your strength, maybe meditation. So health. Wealth, meaning how much money you have, how do you save, do you have habit of saving, how you use your money, whether you just spend it or you invest it on yourself, invest it somewhere else, in the SIPs, in the share market, whatever. Well, then there is career. Career meaning how is your career going? Where you want it, is it there? क्या आप career के बारे में कुछ सोचते हो? और just doing a job, जो काम बोला आज सुबह वो शाम तक करना है and that is it. या फिर you are also investing in your career, investing your time, investing your money, and investing your energy on upskilling yourself, career. Then comes the relationships. How connected, how present, how satisfied are you with your relationships? Then comes the personal growth. Personal growth meaning, okay, this is already there. So, okay. Personal growth meaning self-mastery, emotional intelligence, self-love. Are you there? Do you know what all these terms mean? Are you practicing that self-love? Then comes the recreation. And in relationships, I would also like you to understand that there are 3 types of relationships, rather 2, I would say, because then there is a personal growth. So 2 types of relationship. One relationship is with a very inner circle, your family. One can be a romantic relationship, other can be a caring relationship जो family के लिए है, बच्चों के लिए है, माता पिता के लिए, and third can be a relationship with friends, with others. So ये तीनों जगह देखना है. Where are you? Personal growth is about self-love, is about loving yourself. Now this is your relationship with yourself. How well do you know yourself? Then comes the spirituality. How is your connection with that supreme power? And last but not the least is the contribution. Other than you, other than your family, other than your friends, is there anyone in whose life you are contributing? So these are the 8 aspects. So what I want you to do now is, on the scale of 0 to 10, जो आपके इसमें sheet में chart में already दिया हुआ है, on the scale of 0 to 10, 10 being the highest, rate yourself on how has past 1 year been for you in that particular area. So don't judge what is right. Right meaning दुनिया के लिए क्या ठीक है. दुनिया किसको बोलती है? Whether you are taking good care of your husband or not, whether you are married or not, whether you are cooking at home or not. No. ये दुनिया कह रही है. Don't judge for what is right as per the society or the community, as per what is expected from you. Judge from what you wanted from yourself. कि मैं क्या करना चाहती हूँ, मैं क्या करना चाहता हूँ. So in each area. And when you are done with the each area, I want you to color it. Color का मतलब क्या है? I'll just pick up a colored pen. So if you have a 4, just color until the 4. If you have a 8, just color the sheet, color your wheel till the 8. If I am not clear in my words, just look at it. Just look at the image. Like this, you need to color it. Is it visible, Deepshri ki beti? Yes. So, okay. Yeah. Color that. Yes. This is your wheel of life. And this wheel needs alignment. Imagine yourself riding a bike. Imagine yourself riding a bike. कौन सी बाइक चला रहे हो आप? जिसका ये अलाइनमेंट इस तरह का है, वो बाइक आप चला रहे हो. And when you are done, just show me your sheets to the camera so that I know that we are done. Just take your time. Don't rush. Take your time. Don't rush. Think about it, what I wanted. And 2 things you can also think about when you are doing this. What was my goal? So when you want to scale it on the scale of 0 to 10, so my goal was losing 5 kg maybe. So definitely and certainly the goal is not met last year, but whether I made any progress, meaning अगर मैंने लास्ट टू लास्ट ईयर से ज्यादा जिम गई हूं, अगर मैंने ज्यादा एक्सरसाइज किया है, अगर 5 किलो नहीं तो 1 किलो कम हुआ है, I have still made a progress. So how much progress have I made on the scale of 0 to 10? 10 on 10 if your goal is met, उससे कुछ भी कम if your goal is not met. Abhimanyu, are you done? When you are done, show me your sheet on the camera so that we can move ahead. Are we all doing it? Okay. Tina, Abhimanyu, Vanshika, Durgesh ji, rest of you जिनका कैमरा बंद है, tell me in the chat box that you are done. Anaga said done. Okay. The people who have their video switched off, tell me in the chat box that you are done so that we can go ahead, move ahead. So, how bumpy is this ride? Write B in the chat box if your ride seems bumpy. वो साइकिल का पहिया क्या वो गोल बना है या फिर वो बम्पी बना है, ऐसा ऐसा बना है? कैसी राइड होगी अगर आप ये साइकिल चला रहे हो? राइट 4 4 6 8 ओके, मेजॉरिटी misaligned. So write B in the chat box if you feel with this wheel ride will be bumpy. Yes. If you feel with this wheel ride will be bumpy. Now tell me something. Do you feel that in any field which you have less than 5 ka score, do you feel that patterns are being repeated in your life? Tell me in the chat if you feel that patterns are being repeated in that particular field. ऐसी कोई भी field जिसमें 5 से कम score है. Just tell me अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि patterns are being repeated in that. Yes. And let me tell you, patterns are the feedback. Patterns are the feedback. Again, लिख लो इसको भी. Patterns are the feedback. कि जो आपको लेसन देना चाहता है वो आपका हायर पावर. You are not taking that lesson. इसीलिए वो पैटर्न्स रिपीट हो रहे हैं. जब शुरुआत होती है ना, भगवान को एक इशारा देना होता है. आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव हर्ड दिस स्टोरी. सो देयर वाज अ गाय हु वाज ड्राउनिंग इन द रिवर. तो उसको अपने भगवान पे बहुत भरोसा था. बोले मुझे तो भगवान पे बहुत भरोसा है, भगवान को बुलाऊंगा और भगवान आ जाएंगे. ठीक है, वो भगवान को बुलाता रहता है, भगवान बचाओ भगवान बचाओ. somebody was standing besides the बैंक. तो उसने हाथ बढ़ाया कि आओ पकड़ो पकड़ो पकड़ो. बोले नहीं, मुझे भगवान आएंगे बचाने के लिए. थोड़ी देर में एक लकड़ी का वो लॉग आता है तैरता तैरता. पीपल आर शाउटिंग फ्रॉम फार अवे, पकड़ लो उसको, लॉग को पकड़ लो, उसको लॉग को पकड़ लो. नहीं, मुझे भगवान आएंगे बचाने के लिए. एंड like that बहुत सारी घटनाएं घटती रहती है. एंड देन अल्टीमेटली दैट पर्सन डाइज. और ऊपर पहुंचता है भगवान से. अब गुस्सा है, नाराज है, पूछ रहा है भगवान से कि मुझे बचाने क्यों नहीं आए. भगवान ने कहा मैं इतने रूपों में आया था तुम्हें बचाने. पहले वो जो आदमी हाथ दे रहा था, फिर लकड़ी का वट्ठा बन के, फिर नाव करके, फिर ये करके. तुमने यू डिडंट टेक दैट स्टेप. द ओनली स्टेप यू नीडेड टू टेक दैट जस्ट गिव योर हैंड. एंड तो भगवान ऐसे ही करता है, पहले आपको धीरे धीरे टक 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 करता है, प्यार प्यार से. सुनो सुनो, सीख लो सीख लो. नहीं करते तो थोड़ा तेज मार देता है, थोड़ा नहीं करते तो थोड़ा कैसे ऐसे हिला देता है. फिर भी नहीं सीखते तो फिर कभी कोई वो आ जाता है, सुनामी आ जाता है, कभी अर्थक्वेक आ जाता है, कुछ ना कुछ. वो लेवल बढ़ता जाएगा. पैटर्न्स फॉलो हो रहे हैं तो आप देखोगे हमेशा पैटर्न्स की इंटेंसिटी बढ़ रही है. Because it is the feedback that you are not learning the lesson you are required to learn. किसी की लाइफ में होगा कि आई ट्रस्ट पीपल और लोग मुझे धोखा दे देते हैं. किसी की लाइफ में होगा आई इन्वेस्ट और फिर मार्केट क्रैश हो जाता है. किसी की लाइफ में होगा दैट आई अप्लाई फॉर दी प्रमोशंस एंड फॉर दी जॉब्स बट आई डोंट गेट. तो ये पैटर्न्स हैं. और ये पैटर्न्स क्या फीडबैक्स हैं. ये फीडबैक मिल रहा है आपको, but you are refusing to learn that lesson. Unless you learn that lesson, this pattern will keep on repeating. You keep on doing things in hope. आपको ऐसा लगता है आप कि ये करते रहेंगे तो सक्सेस मिलेगा, करते रहेंगे तो सक्सेस डेफिनेटली मिलेगा. बट देन यू नीड टू ट्वीक इट एवरी टाइम. वो जो पिछली बार गलत हुआ तो उसको ट्वीक तो करने की जरूरत है ना. हम इस होप में दैट समडे आई विल सक्सीड, you just keep doing it, and then you lose hope. And this is a cycle. I'm telling you a cycle of I don't know. So I don't know, meaning I don't know. I'm not just getting the name of the cycle. It's a cycle. So first you hope, then you fail a lot of times, then you lose hope, then you become restless. जब आप restless हो जाते हो तो आप क्या रिस्क लेना शुरू करते हो कि अरे नहीं हो रहा, अब तो मैं करके रहूंगा, अब तो मैं ये कर लेता हूं, चलो. You become restless without learning the lesson and take a step, and you fail again because you haven't learned the lesson. Now you become frustrated कि ऐसे ही है मेरा लाइफ तो. And then you become angry with others. अरे कोई मेरा साथ ही नहीं देता, मेरे साथ तो ऐसे ही होता है, वो तो मेरा दुश्मन है, वो तो ऐसा है, वो तो वैसा है. और जब ये फेज भी खत्म हो जाता है, then you are angry with yourself. Then you are in the loop of addiction to pain. जब ये सब कुछ हो गया तो आप वहां पहुंच गए जहां एडिक्शन टू पेन है. मीनिंग वो जो कंप्लेन करना, वो जो ब्लेम करना, वो जो लोगों को एक्सक्यूज बनाना, क्रिटिसाइज करना, ये कंफर्टेबल है ना, ये आसान है ना. सो नाउ यू आर एडिक्टेड टू दैट पेन. नाउ यू आर नॉट एबल टू अलाइन. Okay, so now open worksheet number 2. Open worksheet number 2. And list down in each area what goals you achieved. And if you haven't achieved the goals, what progress you made in the last 1 year. हम सिर्फ पिछले 1 साल की बात कर रहे हैं, उससे ज्यादा बात नहीं कर रहे, क्योंकि then there is life you have lived. वो सारी चीजें हम अंडू नहीं कर सकते. हम सिर्फ 1 साल के फ्रेमवर्क में लेके चल रहे हैं सब चीजें. For example, in health, so I already told you that in health, my goal was to reduce 5 kg, but I certainly did not touch my goal. But yes, I reduced a bit of it, maybe 2 kgs. So I did not achieve the goal, but yes, I made a progress. For health. For wealth, ask yourself, did I make more money? Did I make wealth? Did I have some passive income sources now? Maybe my income to expense ratio I have improved. Maybe I have started a SIP. I've invested in mutual funds. People who are struggling with wealth, और अगर बाय चांस आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि पैसा जहां डालो वहां डूब रहा है, SIP is a good idea for you because share market is certainly not for you. See what progress have you made in relationships. Are you spending most of your time and energy with inspiring people or expiring people? उन लोगों के साथ में आप समय ज्यादा बर्बाद कर रहे हो या खर्च कर रहे हो जो आपकी एनर्जी को सक अवे कर लेते हैं, या फिर ऐसे लोगों के साथ में आप टाइम इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो जो आपको इंस्पायर करते हैं टू डू योर बेस्ट, टू अचीव योर बेस्ट. Are you spending more time with your family, with your loved ones? Are you spending more time with yourself? Has your relationship changed in any ways for better? यहाँ क्योंकि हम ग्रोथ की बात करें तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ बेटर लिखना है, जो खराब हुआ है वो यहाँ नहीं लिखना है, राइट? पर्सनल ग्रोथ में डिड यू लूज योर टेम्पर ऑफन, या फिर अब आपने शुरू किया थोड़ा सा अपने टेम्पर को कंट्रोल करना? वर यू मोर इन कंट्रोल नाउ? Because I want you to understand that what others do is not your responsibility, but how you react is, right? So did you react more or did you respond more? वो सेल्फ मास्टरी की है क्या आपने? इमोशनल कंट्रोल किया है क्या? इमोशनल मास्टरी किया है क्या? सेल्फ लव कितना किया है आपने इस साल? क्या नई कोई हैबिट्स डेवलप किए हैं अराउंड सेल्फ लव, अराउंड सेल्फ मास्टरी, या कोई नए कोर्सेज किए हैं अराउंड दिस? कहीं कुछ पढ़ना शुरू किया है, सम सेल्फ हेल्प बुक्स विच कैन हेल्प यू? लाइक फॉर स्पिरिचुअलिटी आई डिड अ साइलेंट रिट्रीट last year, Vipassana, for 10 days where you do not speak at all. So I took a step for connecting with that spiritual.
No, she just
And of course, that year that was my goal. So I was on 10 on 10 that year. This year, no. Recreation, क्या दोस्तों के साथ घूमने गए, फैमिली के साथ घूमने गए, या फिर पैराग्लाइडिंग की, क्या किया, वो मूवीज देखी जो देखना चाहते थे. Did you do that? When you are done, just write done in the chat box so that I know that we are done. Vipassana, I also did. It's an amazing experience, out of the world, and I was very proud of myself when I did that. And I found that, yes, I can be silent as well. अब ये ऐसा लग नहीं रहा होगा कि मैं शांत भी रह सकती हूँ, but yes, I can be for 10 long years. Not years, sorry, 10 long days. Yes. When you are done, just type done in the chat box so that we can move to worksheet number 3. Worksheet number 2, we are writing our progress or the goals which we have achieved in each area. I would suggest अभी बहुत सारी चीजें लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, because you have entire day, कल शाम 6 बजे तक का टाइम है इसको revisit करना and build that list. अभी एक चीज लिख लो सब जगह so that we can go ahead. Yes, write done in the chat box when we are done. If I get at least 10 dones, we'll start. People who are with videos off, आप साथ में हो या हम आपका वेट ऐसे ही कर रहे हैं? विक्रांत, अंजलि, हनी, अलिप्ता, साकेत, शिवम, विलास, ईशा, तन्मय, दुर्गेश जी, अभिमन्यु, टीना, वंशिका.
हम हैं.
गुड है तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं तो मुझे लगा कि मैं 18 में से 10 लोगों का वेट कर रही हूँ कि वो हाँ बोलेंगे तो आगे बढ़ूंगी. Okay, is everybody okay to switch on their camera at least once so that I can see those beautiful faces? एक बार सारे कैमरा ऑन कर लो तो एक अच्छा सा स्क्रीनशॉट भी आ जाएगा, तो वो मैं शेयर भी कर पाऊंगी कहीं पे. Yes, those beautiful faces with beautiful smiles. Tina, Anjali, Alipta, Isha, Shivam, Tanmay. Hello, hello, hello everyone. ईशा, अंजलि, साकेत, आप लोग कैमरा ऑन कर रहे हो? अगर आप नहीं कर पा रहे तो प्लीज मुझे बता दो so that I don't wait. Okay, so I am clicking a screenshot. Everybody pose with the brightest of your smile. Yes. Good. Amazing. 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 So done आ गए, काफी सारे done आ गए. So now let's start with our sheet number 3. Now let's start with our sheet number 3. Now in the sheet number 3, what I want you to do is write the misses. हमने शीट नंबर 2 में लिखा है क्या हमने अचीव किया, थोड़ा बहुत आगे बढ़े कि नहीं बढ़े, गोल अचीव हुआ या नहीं हुआ, but at least we did some progress or not. Sheet number 3 में I want you to write the misses. Like I had planned to exercise 5 days a week, मैं नहीं कर पाई, it is a miss. I had planned for some spiritual retreat this year, मैं नहीं कर पाई, this is a miss. But my progress was I did meditation every day. This was a progress. Wealth में I would say जो मैंने target बनाया था about my doing these webinars and everything to increase my income. So I did not achieve that target. Yes. So that was a miss. क्या क्या मिस किया, हर चीज में सिर्फ एक ही एक चीज लिखना है, बिकॉज बाकी की लिस्ट आप आज रात में आराम से शाम को बैठ के लिखना आफ्टर दैट, so that you can make a long list. So just make a list. When you are done, write done in the chat box. वापस वहीं पहुंच गए हम. Are we done? करियर में लिखो व्हाट डिड यू मिस, मे बी यू वांटेड टू डू सम कोर्स, वो नहीं कर पाए. Maybe you for example, I a wonderful example was coming to me. So in recreation, playing cricket is kind of a recreation, right? Yes, if you play cricket every day, it is good. Then it can also come to your personal growth when you are learning to play cricket. It's a personal growth. And this same cricket can come in the career growth if you are a cricketer. Right? So yes, think of all these things like this. Now, what I want you to do is, I want you to compare both the hits and misses. I want you to compare both the hits and misses and see where does it hurt the most? Where does it hurt the most? Health, wealth, relationship, career, spirituality, recreation, impact. कहाँ सबसे ज्यादा दर्द हो रहा है देख के कि अरे ये नहीं हो पाया, या this is somewhere I want to work on. And tell me in the chat box, which is that area that you're feeling hurt right now? What is the area that you're feeling hurt right now? Compare both the lists and tell me which is the area you're feeling most hurt right
देखो
now. Well, okay. What else? Who else? नेहा हेल्थ. नेहा ने नहीं भी लिखा होता तो मुझे पता था नेहा को यही लिखना है, बिकॉज नेहा हैज ऑलरेडी सेड बैड हेल्थ. रिलेशनशिप, यस यस. Okay, if you are not able to find out which hurts most, maybe the one area which you think about most can be the one which you want to focus on. The area in which you want your control back can be that area. Because people are not writing in the chat box, so I thought this needs to be elaborated. So all these areas, wherever you are struggling, these are the areas where your muscle is missing. These are the areas where your muscle is missing. Just look at your wheel. Look at everything you have done till now and tell me in the chat box, write in the chat box BO, bulb on. वो व्हील देख के या फिर मिसेस देख के या हिट्स देख के या वो कहाँ सबसे ज्यादा दर्द हो रहा है, कुछ देख के कहीं पे बल्ब ऑन हो रहा है, कहाँ बल्ब ऑन हो रहा है वो भी बताओगे तो अच्छा है. Either write BO in the chat box or just tell me where is that bulb on moment. What was that bulb on thing for you? How did you find this audit? अभी तक हमने जितना ऑडिट किया है, ये ऑडिट करने के बाद में हाउ आर यू फीलिंग? कैसा लग रहा है? क्या फीलिंग आ रही है? मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है कि हाँ अब नाउ थोड़ा सा आसान है, बिकॉज आई नो वेयर टू गो, बिकॉज आई नो व्हाट टू डू, व्हाट आई वाज मिसिंग. थोड़ा सा आसान है, थोड़ा सा. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि एकदम आसान हो गया, थोड़ा सा आसान. नाउ लिसन टू दिस वेरी वेरी केयरफुली. अब जो मैं बोलने वाली हूं उसको बहुत ही केयरफुली सुनना है, बिकॉज मुझे लगता है कि this is the most powerful thing I will be going to say from today. Okay, before I say that, let me ask you a question. Answer this for you. What is holding you back? Answer this for you. What is holding you back? वो जो दर्द हो रहा है, वो जो परेशानी हो रही है, what is holding you back? What are your habits? Maybe there are some traits that are holding you back. There are some habits, there are some maybe people, there could be energy. What is holding you back? जिस एरिया में आपको सबसे ज्यादा दर्द हो रहा है, वहां आपको क्या रोक रहा है? सब जगह नहीं ढूंढना है. जहां सबसे ज्यादा दर्द हो रहा है, वहां आपको क्या रोक रहा है? Whatever is coming to your mind, just tell me in the chat box one word. वो एक वर्ड क्या आ रहा है? Procrastination, overthinking, no idea, procrastination. Yes, what else? What else? Inconsistency. Sometimes it is fear. What if I fail? Doubt whether it's a right choice for me. Sometimes it is deservability, whether I deserve it or not, whether I'm worthy of it. Sometimes it is clarity. I don't know whether I want this or not. Sometimes it is about confidence, whether I will be able to do it. It could be communication if it is about relationship. It could be technology if it is about career. It could be your patience. I don't know how much time will it take. पता नहीं कितना समय लगेगा, हो भी पाएगा कि नहीं हो पाएगा. Sometimes it can be a process कि मुझे पता ही नहीं करना कैसे. मुझे ये तो पता है मुझे करना है, लेकिन कैसे करना है ये नहीं पता मुझे. Clarity about life goals, yes. So Vikrant, when you say clarity about life goals, ये व्हील करने के बाद में क्या आपको लग रहा है थोड़ा क्लैरिटी आया है? क्या आपको लग रहा है कि थोड़ा क्लैरिटी आया है? Now tell me in the chat box, is growing in this area extremely important? हम सिर्फ बात कर रहे हैं उस एरिया की where it is hurting you most. इस एरिया में ग्रो करना आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्या? ऑन द स्केल ऑफ मे बी 1 to 10 बताओ, व्हाट इज योर स्कोर? आई डोंट नो हाउ टू स्टार्ट समथिंग न्यू. फियर, यस, फियर. So now tell me in the chat box, सिर्फ number लिखो. Is growing in this area extremely, extremely important for you? Give yourself a number from 1 to 10. How important is it for you? 10. 9. Deepshri be 10. Okay. I'm just going through my notes because I don't want to go haphazard. मतलब मैं कहीं यहाँ वहाँ की बातें करने में व्यस्त ना हो जाऊँ आप लोगों के साथ में. इसीलिए मैं थोड़ा सा नोट्स देख रही हूँ so that I can give you the maximum value I can. Okay. So now again, listen to this very carefully. This is important. If your number is more than 8, if your number is more than 8, it is actually important for you. If your number is between 5 to 8, it is not that important. जैसा फेज है कि अगर मिल गया तो अच्छा है, नहीं मिला तो ठीक ही है, भगवान ने जो दिया हो जाएगा. 8 से ज्यादा तो भगवान को देना हो या नहीं देना हो मुझे चाहिए. And if it is lesser than 1, then it is a check for you that you don't want it. That you don't want it. आप सिर्फ इसीलिए करो क्योंकि आपको फोमो हो रहा है. वो मेरे दोस्त के पास है इसीलिए मुझे भी चाहिए. वो पड़ोसी के पास है इसलिए मुझे भी चाहिए. क्योंकि सारे कर रहे हैं इसलिए मुझे भी करना है. सो आपको सिर्फ फोमो हो रहा है. 5 से कम स्कोर है आपका. तो 5 से 8 है तो हाँ थोड़ा सा एफर्ट हम कर सकते हैं. 8 के ऊपर है. So now I am talking to the people who have score more than 5. More than 5. Or maybe I would say 8, 9, 10 जिनका स्कोर है. Whatever traits, whatever habits you mentioned which are missing are the cost of your biggest dreams. Are the cost of your biggest dreams. I'll say this again. Whatever traits or habits you mentioned that are missing in you to achieve your goal are the cost of your dreams. I want you to write this in a bold right now. I want you to write this in bold right now. What? The reason I will not achieve my biggest goal is. उसके आगे आपको वो ट्रेट, वो हैबिट, जो भी कुछ है वो लिखो बोल्ड में, बड़ा बड़ा लिखो, so that you know it. So that today you know it. कि सिर्फ ये एक, सिर्फ ये दो, सिर्फ ये 10 चीजें ही हैं which are standing in between me and my biggest goal in life. Give me a ready in the chat box if you are ready to build that muscle. वो जो muscle अभी आपकी missing है, उस चीज को पाने के लिए, give me a me in the chat box if you are ready to build that muscle in empowering yourself. If you are ready to stop solving things and start evolving in that direction, in the direction of empowerment, give me a me in the chat box right away. If now you are ready to build that muscle. Whatever your reason is, whatever can be your reason, anything can be your reason. Just give yourself 100 days. मैं आपको बोलती हूँ आप 100 दिन अपने को दो. Put in all your efforts, all your commitment, all your consistency in that area. And you will see that shift which you are expecting from life. Now, tell me, what's the one small change in your daily routine that you are ready to build वो एक छोटा सा बदलाव अपने डेली रूटीन में वो क्या कर सकते हो आज से, मे बी कल से, दैट कैन मूव यू क्लोजर टू योर गोल. एक छोटा सा बदलाव, जस्ट वन स्मॉल हैबिट. बिकॉज द प्रॉब्लम विद मोस्ट ऑफ अस इज वी आर ऑल लाइक ऑल और नथिंग एटीट्यूड हमारा सबका. या तो हमें सब कुछ करना है या कुछ भी नहीं करना. आइदर आई विल वॉक 5 kilometers a day और आई विल नॉट इवन वॉक 1000 steps. ये ऑल और नथिंग जो है एटीट्यूड, इसके कारण सब परेशानी है. सो आई वॉन्ट यू टू आइडेंटिफाई one small step that you can change in your daily routine that can move you closer to your goal. And I am saying in your daily routine. ये याद रखना है, रोज वाली चीज होनी चाहिए. वो महीने में एक बार करते हो वो नहीं होना चाहिए. सेविंग SIP करूंगा. रोज क्या कर सकते हो? अगर वेल्थ भी बढ़ाना है तो रोज क्या कर सकते हो? Are you investing on yourself to build your wealth? Are you maybe working on your income and expense ratio? मैं रोज 10 रुपए कम खर्च करूंगा, maybe. I don't know what. Every day, one routine that can move you closer to what? To your goal. That can move you closer to what is your goal. And now I want you to write, I commit to. I commit to, and then that one small step. I commit to, and then that one small step. ये अपने पास जो नोटपैड आपके पास है उस पर लिख के रखो. And this is also your homework for today. नोटपैड पे तो लिखना ही, और ये होमवर्क भी है. हमारे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे आपको शेयर करना है लिस्ट ऑफ ऑल द थिंग्स दैट आर होल्डिंग यू बैक. अभी मैंने कहा था सिर्फ एक चीज लिखो, बट देन टेक योर टाइम, list of all the things that are holding you back, and then write, I commit to what that small change that you are ready to make in your daily routine to move forward. ये होमवर्क है. व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे आपको करना है, ये आपका होमवर्क है. और ये जो आई कमिट टू है ना, इसको एक अच्छे बढ़िया साफ पेपर पे बोल्ड में लिख के अपने मिरर पे लगा लेना, so that every time you pass by your mirror you are reminded that मुझे ये करना है, that मुझे ये करना है. Because the moment you expand yourself, your life changes. The moment you expand yourself, your life changes. Now, another very difficult question. And I would say this is the last question. What is the price I am ready to pay for my biggest dream? What is the price I'm ready to pay for my biggest dream? By answering this question, you are actually choosing your heart. Let me explain this to you. By answering to this question, you are just choosing your heart. Because whether you do it consciously or you don't do it consciously, you are paying for it. Whether you do it consciously or you don't do it consciously, you are still paying for it. आप कोई decision लो या ना लो, both are decisions. So what is the price I'm ready to pay for my biggest dream? You are just choosing your heart. Going to gym is hard, but so is living with lifestyle diseases. Making money is hard, and so is staying in scares. Leaving a partner is hard, and so is staying in an unhealthy relationship. Upskilling is hard, and so is staying behind in the race. So just choose your heart. You are just choosing your heart when you are answering this. What is the price you are ready to pay for your biggest dream? The only difference in both the hearts is, you know what? It is just the familiarity. Not going to gym, not upskilling, not taking risk are all familiar hearts. इनके साथ हम already रह रहे हैं. Remember me talking about that addiction to pain? This is the pain you are addicted to. ये जो comfort है, ये जो familiar heart है ना, ये वही addiction to pain. Familiar heart is the pain you are addicted to. Familiar heart is the pain you are comfortable with. You know how it feels when you don't choose to change? When you choose to change in an unknown territory, how it feels? So you just need to choose your heart. So choose your heart. Answer this question. If you can do it in the chat box, what is the price you are ready to pay for your biggest dream? Gain knowledge about investment, sending a loving message to achieve my relationship dream, committed. Amazing. Amazing. And now, coming back where I had left you in between, कि मैं सबसे important बात बताने वाली हूँ आज की. अब मैं सबसे important बात अब बताने वाली हूँ आज की. So this is the most important thing, most powerful thing from today. अच्छा, tell me, is it looking overwhelming now? कि जब हमने शुरुआत की थी, जब उन्हें रजिस्टर किया था बूट कैंप के लिए, तो सिर्फ 4 चीजें थी, हेल्थ, वेल्थ, रिलेशनशिप्स, करियर. और अब वो ड्यूरिंग दी बूट कैंप अचानक डबल द लिस्ट हो गई है, 4 की जगह 8 चीजें हो गई हैं. अब हमें और भी ज्यादा चीजों पे फोकस करना पड़ेगा. ऐसा लग रहा है क्या? ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत सारा अननोन आ गया है, ओवरवेल्म लग रहा है? अगर ऐसा लग रहा है, अगर ओवरवेल्म लग रहा है, so I just want you to understand that you don't need to fix everything. You don't need to fix everything. Just focus on the things which are most important for you right now. जो सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है, सिर्फ उस पे फोकस करो. I'll tell you something. I mentioned somewhere earlier that I'll share a story of my client. So I'll tell you something. I have a client who is a one-on-one on a one-on-one coaching with me. So she's Pragati, 32-year-old aspiring singer. She was struggling with lack of focus because of her aspirations. So they were not aligned. She was lacking. She lacked clarity. She lacked motivation. And can you believe it? She was in such situation for quite a long time, years together. Years together. You remember my journey? I had took more than 10 years to see those visible results of having impacted thousands of lives, becoming a Hay House published author and a TEDx speaker. मुझे 10 साल लग गए ये करने में. And can you believe this? Pragati was singing on stage in less than 15 days. In less than 15 days. That's why I told you, किसी को 1 साल भी लग सकता है, लेकिन there are people जो 10 दिन में और 15 दिन में भी कर सकते हैं. That's the power. That's the power of alignment. So जब आपका alignment होता है, your speed of execution increases, your speed of things changing increases. So if you don't want to leave this session, this boot camp, with just the diagnosis of your problem, आज हमने पूरा diagnosis कर लिया, right? Already हमने diagnosis कर लिया. So if you don't want to leave this room, leave this boot camp with just the diagnosis of the problem, so you know now that these are the areas जहाँ पे lacking है, these are the areas, what degree of misalignment is there, what are the reasons of misalignment. With me, everyone? Write yes in the chat box. Write yes in the chat box if you're like, okay, I know the stuff now, लेकिन अब आगे क्या करना है? What's the solution? ठीक है, मुझे पता चल गया, व्हील देख लिया मैंने, लेकिन अब क्या? अब क्या? What next? Give me a me in the chat box. Yes in the chat box. Okay. Forgot. कोई नहीं. So tomorrow I will be giving you the exact same framework which I have successfully used with Pragati and hundreds of my clients. That will take you from here to here. That will take you from this misaligned wheel to a perfectly aligned wheel. The exact same framework that I was invited a few days back. The exact same framework I will be telling you. I was invited to talk about in my TEDx talk. The exact same framework, which I have been using those powerful tools and powerful framework I have been using with lot of my clients and otherwise as well. Exact same framework I will be giving you today. Because so that you can go inside. You can, so as they say, more you go inside, more you grow outside. And I think this is something I missed. This is something I missed while talking to you. I will just go back to this slide. This slide will remain here. I want you to understand. So I was saying कि मैं एक सबसे powerful चीज आपको भी बताने वाली हूँ, and that thing is, just tell me, most of you struggle हमारी ज्यादातर होती किस बारे में? पैसा कितना कमाते हो, दिखते कैसे हो, right? And look at this wheel. Look at this wheel. Look at this wheel. ये aligned wheel है. इसमें जरा देखो and see. Health and wealth. These are the only two regions, areas which are external to you. Everything else is inside of you. अगर आपको wheel का alignment करना है, remember me focusing on my exterior. वेट कम हो गया, करना है, बाल झड़ रहे हैं, हाथ ढीले हो गए हैं, राइट? एंड आई नीडेड टू फोकस इनसाइड ऑफ मी. एंड नाउ आई विल टेल यू दैट क्वेश्चन जो मेरी कोच ने मुझसे पूछा था. यू नो व्हाट, वो मेरी कोच ने मुझसे पूछा, टेल मी, उन्होंने बड़े कैजुअली ये बात पूछी थी, स्वाति टेल मी, इफ मदर टेरेसा हैड फ्यूअर wrinkles on her face, would it made any difference? And I was like, And then the next question she asked was, if you had a perfect body, what would you do? And these two questions changed everything for me. These two questions gave me the alignment nothing could. So I think we are done for the day. Now, I want you to, if you have any questions, questions are welcome. If you have any shares, shares would be wonderful. If you have any feedback, they are most welcome. So just switch on your cameras. Tell me, how did you feel? How was the day? We are sitting exactly at 19:46. We still have around 14 minutes to go to 8. So enjoyed, very useful. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, somebody was writing, Vilas was writing a question which I could not understand. Vilas, if you want to discuss that, we can discuss that right now. Tell me in the chat box, how many of you are waiting for day 2 now? How many of you want to claim that powerful, most powerful framework which me and my coach had developed, I think now long time back. Wonderful session, a lot of clarity and useful, very useful. Thank you, Anagha. Thank you, Neha. Thank you, Vikrant. वैसे माइक ऑन करके बोलेंगे आप लोग तो मुझे और भी ज्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. If you can unmute yourself and maybe whatever feedback, मतलब I won't mind negative feedback as well. And positive तो खैर है ही अच्छा, तारीफ तो सभी को अच्छी लगती है, मुझे भी अच्छी लगती है. We are all humans, right? Vikrant, are you trying to unmute? I thought you were trying. Monica, you want to say anything?
Yeah, so the best takeaway from me today was that consistently, if I work on it, I can be there. I think I need to do more and more of such workshops to keep myself encouraged, to keep myself at the edge, because you need constant reminders with so many things going around in your life and so many aspects and fields that need your attention. Oh, selfless that we have discussed earlier is something which happens very, very often, and you don't even realize when it creeps in. So, yeah, more and more of consistency. Thank you so much. Looking forward to tomorrow.
Thank you. Anagha, you want to say anything? Tina, Neha, Shivam, Isha, Saket, Vanshika, Tanmay, Vikrant. Vikrant, I would like you to speak.
Hi, Swati. Thank you for the great time today. And thanks for all the participants. और आज ये मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ कि हमको ये सेशन आज बहुत लेट मिला है. लाइफ में पहले मिला होता तो अभी तक सब चीज़ें सॉर्टेड होती. और नेक्स्ट चीज मैं इसलिए कि इसमें से एक भी पार्ट 8 में से हमने सही कर लिया तो काफ़ी कुछ लाइफ सही हो जाएगी. और मेन चीज मुझे लगता है कि नेक्स्ट जनरेशन के लिए हम बच्चों को थोड़ी क्लैरिटी दे पाएंगे. मेरा राइट पर्सपेक्टिव उनको मिलेगा. अभी वो 20-21 के हैं, 19 के हैं. अभी से सही सोचना चालू करेंगे, प्रायोरिटीज सही सेट करेंगे. और हम लोगों के साथ यही था कि प्रायोरिटीज ही पता नहीं थी कि क्या है. तो हम ये 3 दिन में जरूर ये साथ में करेंगे सॉर्ट आउट. थैंक यू सो मच.
विक्रांत, डेफिनेटली अगर पहले पता चला हो तो ज्यादा अच्छा होता, लेकिन यू आर नेवर लेट. You can still start afresh. So just start that journey now. And as Monica was saying कि ना constant reminders चाहिए होते हैं. And you know what? ये जो self development जिसको हम कहते हैं, जो self growth, this is such an addictive thing that I can't tell you. अगर इसका addiction आपको हो गया ना, so there is no looking back. There is nothing that can hold you back after that. Abhimanyu, do you want to share anything? Isha, do you want to share anything? Are you trying to say something? Self-realization is very important. Thanks a lot towards a fresh start. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so, okay. If we have no questions, if we have nothing to share now, all the best. And I look forward seeing you all tomorrow, sharp at 6 p.m. with the very powerful framework to realign everything back in life. Bye-bye. All the best. Take care, everyone. Bye.